Hello, I just want to show you one more thing in this code start code generator. It also have a possibility to generate a full button structure with event handlers, JavaScript, HTML and styles, and it's very simple. I press this called button structure maker like this. And what I do is I can just put in the names of my buttons. So I have, for example, settings, I have close, I have start, I have buy, I have yes, and I have doggy. And then I say generate menu. And I get my style for each button, so I can change each button with how it should look and everything. Then I get my HTML insert here with ID, class name and button name. And I get my event click handlers here, and it's just to copy paste it into my code. It is so simple and so easy. I'm super happy for this. So try it out. It's free. I know it's free. So if you just put in this I showed you before, code star WeWrite.1, and you will get to that menu I showed you before, like this. Very simple, very easy. And I know the programmer is adding more and more structures into this menu, so it's worth to follow this. Okay, bye bye.